If Firefox keeps autofilling your email ID and password, and you want to stop it, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn that off in just a few clicks. This is useful if you share a device. If you do not want your login details saved in the browser, or if you simply prefer to type your credentials manually every time. Before we begin, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple browser tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you can access all of the browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into Firefox's main settings area, where you can control privacy, security, passwords, and autofill options. Once the settings page opens, look for the section called Passwords and Autofill. Depending on your Firefox version, this may be listed under Privacy or Autofill-related options, but the wording should be very similar. Click Passwords and Autofill to open the password management settings. Here, Firefox keeps the options that control whether your browser remembers login details for websites. Now look for the option that says Save and Autofill usernames and passwords. This is the setting that allows Firefox to remember your email ID, username, and password, then automatically fill them in when you return to a site. If you want Firefox to stop doing that, simply untick this option. Once it is unchecked, Firefox will no longer save new login details or autofill existing ones in the browser. If you already have saved passwords in Firefox, you may also want to review the saved entries and remove anything you do not want stored on the browser. That way you are not only disabling autofill, but also making sure old logins are not sitting there unused. This is especially helpful on shared computers or work devices where privacy matters. After you turn off the autofill setting, you can test it by visiting a login page and seeing whether Firefox still suggests or fills in your credentials automatically. If it does not, then the setting has been successfully disabled. From now on, Firefox should stop filling in your email ID and password unless you manually enter them yourself. And that is how you stop Firefox from autofilling your email ID and password. It only takes a moment, and it gives you more control over your login privacy. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.